If they break this low, then it can go even to 57,000 also. Nifty is also at day's low. Bank Nifty is also almost at day's low. Yeah, it will be very different scenario if they break first day's low. Can be aggressive reports, especially considering monthly expiry. Trying to cross 300, but again, selling pressure is there. My price is 145. So if you're late, don't. And you need to have a stop loss here, somewhere here. Stop loss is better. Stop loss will be day's low. This candle. Looking for at least 20 MA. Thing like 190. If it work out, it can be a very good risk reward trade also. Like 130 if it is stop loss, 15 point stop loss if you keep. They have a potential to go till, yeah, 250, 275. 190 I am looking at. If we get it, it will be good. Momentum is there. I don't feel like exiting, feel like holding it. If we get 190, it's a 45 points, so I can reduce some quantity. $192. I'll reduce some here at 191. Is it at 20 EMA? 9 EMA. Let's see now. This breaks 20 EMA. We can hold the rest of the quantity. Okay, rejection at 9. But probably it will be taken out. The way this candle came, it will be taken out. You can hold it. Sell put. Went to 205. Entry was 145, so stop loss I planned is around below this 130. So it's already gave 3x, much more than that. Again 200, 210. I think it is now giving the move. We'll reduce them at 210. Come on. Coming to 20 MA. 20 MA is my target. That will be roughly 225. By that time, this will also reach VWAP. So 25 means we get 80 points in that trade. 216, 217. How many of you got this? Nifty is at 20, Nifty little more. I feel like adding. Look at that 20-point reverse. 20 to 200. Added some here, 195. Oof, crazy. Reversal is so sharp. Added some more here, 180. Yeah, I wanted it to give a touch of 20 MA, but Nifty gave touch of 20 and reversed. I was expecting this will give so that it will move to 225. It came to 220. Now re-entry at a higher price also, the price at which we exited. Hmm. That was got it. Leave this 180. Yeah, not giving it smoothly. Should have given a good move till 20 at least. Added again at 167. Put side, I will look only in case if they break this low. That's when you'll get a very good momentum. Now it is that rejection at 9 EMA. Don't know to what extent it can go. Maybe anywhere here it can give a bounce also. Yeah, almost back to the buying price now. Expiry, I think it will be around 200. They'll take it to, once again, probably they'll take it to 200 level. The range was 100 to 300. So most probably it will be in the middle. 200, this high. Yeah, 220 to sudden reversal. No, the reason is I was looking for, in fact, Nifty touched 20 MA. So Bank Nifty should also have been given that move. Then I would have exited that. That was my target. And then if they break 20, then I will add again on the call side because then I look for 200 level. I mean, Nifty 200 level. So for that, they'll take Bank Nifty also higher side. Maybe around 500 level, Bank Nifty should come. That means from here, another 150 point easily. Entry price is 145, but it went till 220. In between, we exited. Then the second edition was at a higher level. Still, from the entry, we are in very good profit. But the issue was that addition. Could have avoided because I've seen around 30,000 profit also in this. Look at that 183 now. Come on now. Give a big candle. One big candle is all what we need. This have all the recipe. I'll reduce some here at 190 to keep this 300. This can give that candle that I'm looking for. 200. How many of you added at lower level? Wow. How many of you added at 160? Reduce them at 200. Ah, that was only to trap. Look at that candle. Look at this one now. Only to trap. Till 240 is there. Why not on the put side is because my expectation, I would say it will be 200 level is where Nifty is going to cross. 223, come on. This is the one. 333. 340. Arey yaar, 229. Guys, how many of you got this? This is the big candle that we are talking about. Done? Now don't trade. If you got this trade, this is 80 points already. Before also it came to 240. Still I have 247. I'll reduce them at 247. 100-point trade, 254. Come on. 260. Even if you added at 167 in this dip, it's 260. I'll reduce them at 262. Last 30 quantity. Don't trade anymore. I just took the session for those, morning batch, only for you not to get stuck in any trap. 270. You can't get better than this now. It's at VWAP. Can reverse. Look at that 270 to 240 now. That's okay, just the 30 now. But the way this candle came, it will move. See, I told you, this is where it should come. Yeah, I've taken this session only to protect you from the trap. Now don't trade anymore. Everyone should have been in the call trade in this session. Got enough opportunity to add multiple times. Done for the day. I think I'll close. That's better. I will now I'll do some gambling in the stock options after closing the session. Stock options is where you can get some big hero zeros. You can't get better than this. So don't trade. Whether you traded Nifty, still look at this. That one candle is enough. It's tempting me to add more. Added some here at 241. See. Yeah, that's why you can't get better than that. Even if we add, it will just trap. I've added a 241. Let's see. But how much better than this you can get now? Think. Exited this at 227. I'm done for the day. At 20 MA, it's bouncing. Let's try once again. Taken it at 232. 232 I've taken. Breaking 20 MA will exit. Yeah, I will try stock options today. But that will be very risky trades. Multiple stocks I'll try. Because of rollover, buying, and all those. Probably on the upside only I will try. Yeah, again trap. Look at that. Added some more here. Added here. Kill switch, that's better. Don't trade anymore. Yeah, it's premium decay, still above 20 MA only. One more spike towards this 200. Yeah, again it came till VWAP 270. Still above 20 MA. Exited this. Done. I'm done. Yeah, all I wanted is a candle like this. Got it. Now what happens is in that candle, the premium call side premium have spiked so much. So now it is getting adjusted. That's why even though it is still at around the 20 MA only, but still the way the premium is decaying is so fast. Once it gets settled, I can get a re-entry also. Now the premium is melting. Look at that. Crazy. Oof. 100-point loss now. From 270, it's back to 170. Look at that. 150. Now if this candle low is taken out, it's over. The game over. I'll try this at 174. Once again, I'll try. 74 after 90 it came. Look at this rejection. Crazy volatility. Now the moves are back. But only for today. 190. I've taken at 174. Look at that. Went to 195, back to 170. Crazy volatility. Added some here. Yeah, it went to 195 in a flash and then back to 170. Again 190. I'll reduce some here at 190. Reduce some at 200. Sure. Oh, okay. 199. I got. This, you know, price at which it is getting triggered also is very, yeah, if it is market price, then it's get executed at a different price than what we see. Limit orders will be better. It's again at 20. Let's see if it is giving a rejection or if it break again. If it break again, we can expect this. After this candle, I feel like again they will make an attempt. 200, 205. Yeah, 20. Those who feel like it can give a rejection can close the trade because we got it better. From 174 is what we got this entry, right? This entry is at 174 and 170. So it's 200. It's better, much better. 210. Come on. Give me 230. Put us at VWAP. Place a limit order. 210. Should cross that 20. Rejection. Still, I am looking for upside. Either I should close the trade here and then re-entry above 20 MA, or I should be holding the quantity that I have. That's the only option which is left out in front of me as I'm looking on the upside only now. Yeah, I feel like adding actually. If they break, then we can expect till this. Hmm? Hmm. Right. DMA rejection. Strong 20 MA. Added support here. I know it's a high price. Taking some risk. Some more here. Added more here. 195. We'll reduce from here at 200. The beginners just watch and see how such a volatile market is managed. That's what I would say. Don't try to take the trades. You have enough and more time. Just try to see how it's managed. All I want is this break now. When we get to 40, to 60, to 70 levels, even 300 also, you won't be surprised. Come on. 205. 210 got it. 90, 190. This is at VWAP. It is breaking VWAP. It can give more. Or we'll close some more at 212. Because in case if it is taking support, then again we'll get trapped. So I'll hold this 90. You are back to volatility. That's why this one will never betray me. Bank Nifty. Whenever you see the trades that we take in Bank Nifty, again rejection. I'll hold this. Yeah, as expected, it bounced. That's why I reduced. We'll add now at 192. It is normal. Once you get this, since it is broken on the downside, getting rejected is normal. So we need to see whether it will be broken. There's some more here. I'll do one thing. I'll keep this candle low as a stop loss now, not this one. And then we can take fresh entry later. Yeah, morning I've sold 24 100 call and then 24 200 put. Sorry, 100 put and 200 call once it bounced to this level. So that is why I told you if it is closing around this level, both the call and put will give me profit. If it is breaking, then only I need to do some adjustments. Guys, this I can tell you guaranteed. No one will trade this monthly expiry live in front of you like this. Have the view and sticking to the view, showing all the trades. No one will do that. That I can give you in writing. And this we captured right at this level. After this candle, we captured. We got this candle also. We should be done with this trade itself. That time also, I was with this candle also, when it was here, I saw the profit of 37,000. Now also it's the same. Effectively, we didn't get. I don't know whether you re-enter or not. That's your choice completely. I'll reduce some here for 95. Come on, now break it. You're testing us again at 20. Should we exit? Again, rejection, no? They'll make us frustrated and then they'll give the move. Because this one should get a follow-up. This candle should get a follow-up. That's for sure. Pre-15, I'll take stock options. That will be easy to manipulate. You can bet on both sides also, but I'll probably go on the upside. Reduce some more at 205. I'll try with at least 10 stock options. I'll risk maybe 10,000 on each of. All selling positions I close by 245, 230, 245. It's in very good profit. The 24 100 put I sold in a very good profit. 24 200 call also in a very good profit. What to worry? This is a bonus. Option buying is bonus. Yes, 210, 212. Come on. Now breaking 20. Come on. 220. Reduce some at 222. Now they broke that 40,000. In the first year itself, we got that. Come on. Give me 240. I'm done for the day. 230. How many of yours heart is in mouth seeing the price move? So imagine if VIX is 15 and then we are trading. What would have been the move? Now VIX is 11 and now we are getting it. 220 and reversed. Now 20 MA can act as support. Array, again broken, no? Reversing so fast. This again came to this why this VWAP was holding. That's what not breaking, not letting it break. Even after this candle, they came above VWAP. Again, they took support. Okay, now it is coming 220. Entire session we are in trade. We never fully exited this concept, but we got this trade right from here. 145 was my entry. Twenty. We closed by 230. Yeah, my objective was like others unnecessarily you enter into some trades and get into trap. So that with this trade itself, we should be done for the day. If we captured this, you had enough time to enter. Even after making 37, 40,000 profit here, it went to 60,000 also when it was here. And then we are again back to same profit. I want 240 at least. It went to 270, gave us 270 before. We have done an exit here also at VWAP. But that spike was so high because of the size of the candle. Now that 270 will be equivalent to 240. If I get, I'll be happy and will close. Or 180 is the trailing stop loss. With that, will stop. Either of that. Either 240 on the upside. That's where VWAP is also there. Or 180 trailing stop loss. Whatever is hitting first, we'll take that. We'll close the session. No more trades after that. 240 on the upside, that is VWAP, or 180. These are my exit points. We got beautiful trades. So there is no need to go for. I'll try hero zero because I can use some part of the profit. Already with 50,000 profit with 1 lakh capital. So part of the profit you can use, of course. Close your selling positions. It's 230. That's enough. 24 200 call if you have, and 24 100 put if you have. Both you can close. It's in the middle. This is the best level. Before, if it is bouncing to that level, you can close now. Exactly at 20 MA point also. Put is giving good profit, more than call. But both are in profit. Hmm? Oh, yeah. Hmm. Got stuck there. Got stuck at 20. They closed, but further, nothing is happening. Let's see now. Again, they break VWAP to 20. Let's reduce 30. Okay, sorry. To 220. Reduce some at 223, 220. We'll keep this 30 now. This I'll keep 240. Now there is nothing to lose. 230. 240 is VWAP. Given this VWAP as the target for this 30. If not, 180. I understand some of you got confused because I have traded calls even below 20 MA, but I was looking for follow-up of this. My views on the upside. I'm looking for expiry to be around 200 level, especially on Nifty. Just that Nifty came, but Bank Nifty did not came. That's why I told you to exit the call sell. Look at this, coming close to 200 now. Bank Nifty is yet to give that move. Nifty gave it. If you have tried, if we traded Nifty, we should have got it big.